All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching me right now. Yes, it's Maurice, the crochet master, and today we're going to see something very, very different. And I would like before you do, you before, please don't forget to subscribe first, so that we can do this together. And I want to welcome all the return subscribers, and if you're still new, please just give me your time so that I give you what I have, and trust me, you will love it. And I always advise you that whenever we do some the things, please always make sure you also try to practice, because practicing make you perfect. So you should always do that. Whenever you see something that is still new, you make sure you also try to practice it. And I would like to send this to everyone who is watching me that we are doing all types of hairstyles. I told you that for me, I can do everything. I don't specialize. So if it comes to braiding, if it comes to crocheting, we can all do those ones. So today we're going to do something very, very different. It's the knotless threading. We're going to be using the threads. You can see how it is. So the only thing you should do, you should just have to make sure you get the size that you're going to use, that you make sure that the size you're going to use is the same. So you separate those threads in those according to the size that you're going to be using. So right now I'm going to do the medium size, for the knotless braid, the way we always do it, but this time around we're going to use the threads. So I want to show you that anything can still do something, but though most people were they're always scared to play the threads, a thing that is painful, but now we're doing it in a threading format. Trust me, you won't feel pain at all. So if you've been watching all my videos showing you how to do the knotless braids, I think you can also do this one the same way, in that we always use the gel to apply first, so that we can collect all the hair together, and then we start the knotless braiding. Yes, so if this time around we are using the threads, and I am using, I've counted 16. Yes, 16. No, I've counted 18. So 18, that means there are six, is it like the six times 3? Yes, that makes 18. So the 6 times 3 makes 18. That means my braid is going to be equal. You understand? So I've made them like that. So for you, you can choose any numbers that you want to do. You can say you're going to use like 25, but like they should be in that odd number. Yes, no, they should be in the even number, so that they match. You understand? Yes, don't make like 19 or 23. No, you can make like 24. That means you're going to do 8 8. Yes, just like that. It's just according to the size that you're going to use. So now let's start. You can see the gel that I'm applying, so to collect all, excuse me, like to collect all the hair. And when I'm done with that, I already separate it into 3 portions, to those ones who have been following, and then I try to plait the hair oddly, just like that. I know you can also do that, and it's the same thing. You just have to apply the threads, just like that, simple and very soft. And then you keep on adding the way we always do the thread that we always do the knotless braids. So now we're using the threads, and remember it is in all colors, so yeah, you can choose the color that you want to do, and then you start the braiding. So trust me here, if I'm trying to explain, there like someone won't feel pain at all since it is in the knotless format. And another thing is, I realized that some people, yeah, someone asked me that, and the threads are very heavy. Yes, they can be heavy if you overpack them. You understand? And I always tell you this, that please, if you want the braids to look nice and they are comfortable, don't overpack them, because that's when the hair start breaking. In that you have a lot of hair on your head and you're trying to hold it, for them to make, when they're making you uncomfortable when they're loud, when you're trying to style them, trust me, the front hair always get damaged, because when it is heavy it can real disturb. So that same applies to when you're plaiting these threads. In order to not make it look not make it heavy, not make them heavy, you just have to try to use the volume, like you had, like as me, the way I used 18. Yes, I used 18. So you can also don't exceed, like let's say you're using like 30. That means if you use 30, then the boxes that you're going to use, the boxes that you're going to make, let them try to be a little bit bigger. Yes, that's when you can achieve the light of this braid. So it means that we're going to be plating the threading, but as you're plating, you just try to also to focus on the weight. So the more the boxes you make, they also matters the sizes. You understand, the size of the threads that you're applying. So as we're doing the knotless, you can start it this way, and you just have to keep on adding. So another trick is, I always tell you that it is always good to listen than skipping, because sometimes you don't understand some other things. So when you listen, the other things that I can be telling you, and you won't know after doing your things. So another thing here is that times when you reach in the middle, remember the hair is packed. So when you reach in the middle and the hair is packed, you can first play around with the hair only, as I'm going to be showing you. You can just first play around the hair only, and then you add from the middle. I don't know, you'll just say it, because I don't know how to explain it before saying it. So I will first show you how to do it. So this time around, I'm still on the sides, because we all know how to braid, but starting is the problem. So that's why I always want to first make sure that I teach you how to start from down, because that is the only thing that you need to know. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, very sorry, I'm having some flu, but I'll be fine. So with the knotless, you have to first plait the hair this way. You understand? So trust me, there is no any way you will feel pain when you start this way, because sometimes I would wonder why people fear plaiting threads, and yet you find them plaiting their kids. They braid their kids using threads, but for them they fear to plait them. So that's the only way we can do it. And in a knotless method, it is very, very good, and trust me, you will like it. Yes, so this is how we have to braid it this way. And the way I told you that you should always matter the braiding, the thread that you're using to the hair that you I don't know, the hair that you have lined. So like this box, you can see that it is small. So even the hair that I'm going, the threads that I put, I try to make sure that is not too much, so that it is still firm. My hair is protected, uh, because the thread, let's say I've been using 16. No, I'll be using 18, but on this one I might reduce and I use like a 12, just because I see the front hair is always weak. You understand? So those are the simple things that you should always try to know about the knotless. And still, we still do the same. So I would like to show you how you plait the middle. So I think because of the time, I'm just going to show you how to plait the middle in this threading part 2, so that we close that chapter. So those ones who will give me time, just wait for the part 2, and which is I'm just going to upload it next, so that you can see what is the knotless threading is all about. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master. See you guys. Bye bye.